Hello, this is the first part of the breakdown of the transition that I posted yesterday. I'm going to start with exercise one, or movement one, more accurately. You're going to begin on your stomach. You're going to shift your torso to the right as you slide your right knee up, and then bring it back to center. And do that a couple of times. Shift the torso to the right, slide the right knee up. And one more. This time, you'll notice my hands are right under my shoulders. Shift the torso to the right, press your torso up. Slide back to the starting position. Shift the torso to the right, right knee lifts up, press up, back down. Give that a try and see how it goes. Thank you.